Welcome back, guys. Today we are playing the Invasion Inc. spaceship again, and this is the freeze down again. It's the same day, but I don't know why I can't move when I unequip my spin coil. Look, unequip. I can't move. I can only jump. So, I don't know why. Who's making it go? Oh my god. I'm making a video and I want to. Actually, is that the right way? Actually, it is going up the right way, so I don't have to be into it. Because I have this hazmat suit on, because people will just being damaged and being annoyed. Perfect. Why is everybody turning off the engines? Now they're turning it back on. Now they're turning it back on. Oh, two people just went in space. Yep, everybody needs to evacuate. And look, those were the zombies who were being annoying. Hey, you can't get me. You know you can't get me. You know you can't get me. Wait, I just need to show you guys something quick. This says lick proof glass, and then I'm gonna lick it. There we go. I did. Oh my, what happened? Why? I fell down. Elsa, goodbye.
Warning, warning. Core temperatures are critically low. Please prepare for freeze down in T-minus 90 seconds.
We do what we love because we can.
still frozen? Okay, it's still frozen. Oh, I died. Okay, that was freeze down. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and bye. It's not high, but bye. Still doing it. Okay, bye.